Ladies and gentlemen, today we are making this lovely mini custard tarts, but you can call them fruit tarts. Whatever you like, it's okay. And they're very nice and easy to make. So as I was making them, my electricity in the house decided to go off, and apparently there was a power fault. So I had to wait for almost 4 hours to get that fixed. But because God is good, we are here. So after mixing the dough, I then rolled it on top of my kitchen counter. Then I cut some circles using my coffee mug because it's a bit bigger than my muffin pan cups. And that's what I'm going to use. But if you have a shell pan, you can use that one. I then took my dough to the fridge for 30 minutes so that it chills and becomes a little bit firm. Then I flipped my muffin pan upside down, brushed some butter. Then I laid my dough on top, making sure it's creating a cup-like shape. So I only made 9 fruit tarts, but you are more than welcome to make more. So yeah, I then pricked some holes at the base so that my pastry doesn't puff. And I made some smaller designs on the sides, then off to the oven for 25 minutes. And then we move over to our fillings, which is the custard. And I'm struggling to separate the yolk from the egg white. So if you know any easier method to follow, can you please suggest that in the comment section? That will be highly appreciated. And once everything is mixed together, then we take it back to the stove. We cook it until it's a bit thick. Then we switch off our stove. Then we add some butter and vanilla essence. We mix everything until it's consistent. And voila, that's how easy everything comes together. And my shells also came out looking good. And then we chop our favorite fruits. I used strawberries, blueberries, and some kiwi, but you are allowed to use oranges, apples, whatever you like. It also works. And now that everything is done, it's time to stack everything inside our shells. Starting off with our custard, and look at how smooth and satisfying it is. Then followed by our strawberries, our kiwi, then our blueberries, then lastly but not least, our garnish. And look at how colorful everything looks. This serves a perfect dessert. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.